Let me see. Oh, F is for?
Dolphin.
No, it's a fish.
No, it's a mammal. I'm right.
It's a mammal? It
Look.
says here, oh, it's a fish. Is it right?
No. It's a long skin. Like a dolphin. It's a dolphin.
Yeah. This one is not a dolphin, it's a fish. Is that a dolphin?
No. Ay.
Ano? What letter is that?
Fish?
Yeah, it's a fish.
Dolphin?
Ha?
Bakit may F yung dolphin?
Hindi nga yan dolphin, fish nga yan. Fish,
Nasan yung spell ng dolphin?
fish ba yung dolphin?
No. It's a mammal.
Ah, it's a mammal. It's not a fish?
Yeah.
Like what?
F is for fish. D is for dolphin.
Wow, good job.
Bakit ganito yung dolphin?
I don't know then. It's wrong pala, ano? It's wrong po ba? Anong tama?